Hey, amazing people! If you're looking for a way to move abroad and relocate abroad through visa, sponsorship, jobs, pathway, then this video might just be the one for you. But let me ask you this. What if there were official agencies in New Zealand that are actively searching for skilled workers like you and I from around the world? What if you didn't need to worry about visa stress, relocation headaches, or even having a university degree? And what if a legal pathway existed to move? You get hired and get sponsored all without being in New Zealand yet. In this video, you're getting the full breakdown, trusted job agencies, step-by-step process, and the exact websites you need to make your move possible. You'll see what to expect, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to fast-track your job search with help from licensed experts, even how to avoid scams from this website. And yes, everything I share here is backed with legit links and updated information. So whether you're looking for a fresh start or a better life abroad, this could be your game changer, guys. Stick with me till the end because I've saved the most powerful and underrated resource that most people don't even know exists. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, welcome again to the channel. So New Zealand is experiencing skills shortages in sectors like healthcare, construction, engineering, aged care, agriculture, and more, like many more. And to fill these roles, the country has opened its arm wide to overseas workers, especially through the accredited employer work visa. Now, this means you can apply for jobs with approved employers, and if you're selected, you can relocate legally and work full-time in New Zealand with a pathway to permanent residence. Okay, how exactly do you find these jobs and apply the right way? Now, let me break it down for you. Very first step is that you visit the New Zealand's official job website. So you have to go to www.jobs.gov.nz. Now, this is a trusted government-run job portal. Every single information you want will be found on this portal. Now, you can filter jobs by overseas applicants' welcome and search for jobs that are open to international candidates. Number 3, you check the official immigration list. This particular website is very, very helpful as it would show you the steps, guide you through on how to avoid scams and what to look out for. Okay, how to check out for immigration lies and immigration scams before you start applying to these jobs from these agencies. Okay, but don't worry, the agencies I'm mentioning are actually legit from what I've seen so far. Okay, now for this official immigration website link, visit www.immigration.gov.nz and then you click on green list roles. Now, on this green list roles, these are the occupations. Here you would find occupations that are in high demand and may also come with a fast track residence path. Okay, then step 4, you want to make sure that your employer is accredited. Very, very important. Once you apply to companies listed on the accredited employer register found at the accredited employers list, I'll leave this link as well. It is also on this website. Okay, up next, I'm going to be talking about the agencies that are trusted, legit, and helping people move to New Zealand easily. Okay, now they would match you to jobs according to your profession and your experience. Most times you don't even need a degree. Most times you need a degree, depending on the job you are applying for. Okay, the very first website I'll be talking about is Greenstone Recruitment. Now, Greenstone Recruitment is known for placing international applicants in farming and agriculture, logistics and construction, hospitality and trades. The website is greenstone.co.nz. greenstone.co.nz. Okay, now this particular website only works with accredited employers, so your visa sponsorship is handled legally and efficiently once you are matched with a role. Okay, this is the website here. It is Greenstone website, greenstone.co.nz. All right, so the second one I'll be talking about would be working in New Zealand. Working in New Zealand. This one goes beyond job matching. They are more like a relocation partner, and they help with job search. They help you search for these jobs. They help with immigration paperwork. They help with interview coaching. They help with pre-departure prep, like preparation before departure. And then this particular agency is perfect for people interested in engineering, aged care, and large infrastructure projects. Okay, these are the kind of jobs and professions they have on this website. You can see them: jobs, visas, and relocation for health professionals, New Zealand health jobs, contact us, visa appraisal. When you come down to this link, you hit on register your interest. Once you select register your interest, then you'll be asked to fill a form, like a contact us form, where you put in all your information and they would contact you. Again, beware of scams. Okay, there are some agencies that would actually lie to you and all of that, so beware of scams and make sure you read through the right channel, which is the official website, and check through those accredited employers. Ensure they are accredited. Check that they are accredited on the website before you proceed to contacting them. Okay, now these jobs you see on this website are those jobs on the green list. Okay, now these are healthcare jobs in New Zealand that are under the tier 1 requirements, meaning with these jobs you can see now here, they would actually give you a faster pathway, fast track pathway to getting your permanent residency in New Zealand if you have degrees in any of these fields: medical jobs, physiotherapy jobs, occupational therapy jobs, midwifery jobs, mental health and addiction jobs, radiography jobs, pharmacy jobs, and all of those health related fields. Okay, you also want to have at least 1 year of experience or more. This will help you enhance your CV. All right, the next agency I'll be talking about is the Ascent Health Recruitment. Ascent Health Recruitment. This is the one you can see on my screen. You come here to jobs in New Zealand and then you scroll all the way down. So this particular agency helps in healthcare, majorly healthcare. Okay, so if you are in healthcare, this is your blog. They help recruit nurses, caregivers, allied health professionals. Okay, just see them here. It says we recruit administration, anesthetic technicians, community critical care doctors, emergency endoscopy, general practitioners, geriatrics management, medical radiation, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for this one, you also go to the contact us form, fill in all your information as required. They'll ask you questions as well and how you heard about them. Put in your email address, upload your CV, and you can also, this is their email address as well, send in your email address and even the phone number to contact them. Okay, and that is that for this particular one. They will guide you through everything, visa processes, and also support on arrival in the country. They even work with licensed immigration advisors to ensure everything is 100% legal. All right, now I'm going to be giving you this one more nugget. Okay, this is a bonus direct employer in New Zealand, and it is called the Bupa New Zealand. Bupa New Zealand, and the website is bupa.co.nz. bupa.co.nz. Now, Bupa runs aged care homes and health centers, and they're actively hiring caregivers, support workers, and nurses from overseas. Okay, they also sponsor visas and help with relocation. So if you're in healthcare, this is a major opportunity for you. You just want to come up there to where it says immigration, and you select help with immigration jobs, and then you fill in all the jobs that are required. It's gonna show you everything so most of these jobs actually on this website will tell you that they actually want qualifications that are equivalent to the New Zealand healthcare regulations, or the same qualifications gotten from a New Zealand university. So it depends on the particular job that you've seen. So there are many jobs on this website that you can check for. There are some that just requires you to provide an equivalent. Okay, if you have equivalent of the New Zealand healthcare regulation degree, okay, or your grading scores between level 3 and level 4 for caregivers, or degrees in actually nurses. So you have to follow the regulations according to the New Zealand healthcare, okay. So you must, this one says you must hold a current APC and New Zealand nursing diploma. So this depends again on the particular job listing you are checking. All right, and again, please make sure you make more research. While we come out here to post these videos after our research, it is also advisable that you go ahead and make further research on your own. This is just based on personal research, and you shouldn't, like, you can trust the video, of course, because we made our research, but I'll advise and suggest that make more research, go further, go extra miles, use Google as your friend, check for more information, okay, and go to these immigration websites to avoid scams. Again, I keep repeating it. All right, now up next, I'll be running through this real quick, okay. Let's walk you through how to apply, even if it's your first time doing it, okay. You go to all of these websites I've shown you so far: the Greenstone website, the Working in New Zealand website, Accent website, and the Bupa website, which is the free one for direct jobs, not going through agencies. This particular site is for direct jobs if you want to apply directly, okay. Now step 2, you find the job listings under current vacancies, or visa sponsorship available, or immigration jobs, or relocating via visa immigration, okay. Now you click on the job that matches your experience, read everything carefully, prepare your documents, get your CV using the New Zealand CV style. Should be under 2 pages, and you should also have a clear cover letter that is tailored to that particular job. You also want to get your scanned certificates or references if you have them, which would also help a lot in this kind of, with this kind of jobs that are in top demand. And then apply directly via the agency portal or through their email on the website. And step 6, if you're selected, the agency will contact you and guide you through the visa sponsorship process. Please, while you're applying, I wish you all successes and I wish you all good luck in the application process. Make sure you ask questions, just in case you finally get contacted by these agencies. Make sure you ask all the questions you need to know to help you understand everything required to work in New Zealand. This website you see on my screen is the official immigration website in New Zealand, and yeah, it explains everything, okay. It tells you how to filter the job search according to industry and the job position, so that you would know there is an update to the accredited employers requirements to visa sponsorship jobs, and also jobs that are in top demand. They are called the tier 1 jobs. Their requirements as well listed here. So when you come to this website, okay, very important, before you even get through any agency, make this research yourself. Come to this immigration website and check for those roles that are on the tier 1 job demand. So these particular jobs that are under the tier 1 demand would help you with a faster residence. So this is how you would know the ones that are actually open for faster residency. Like, you can either get a residence permit straight up immediately, 2 years residence permit, or a work visa. You come here to search, and then it tells you what they expect. This is the immigration guideline. It tells you what they expect you to have to enable you qualify for that visa. Okay, look at this one, physiotherapist, and it says this is a tier 1 role eligible for straight to residence in New Zealand. Okay, well, when you click on that drop down arrow, it tells you the industry and then the pathway to residence. To be eligible for this one, to be eligible for the residence based on this particular profession, you must be working for an accredited employer or have a job offer from one, which is what the agencies would help you do. Okay, now you must be paid at least, look at the amount they require you to pay. So when you are checking with the agencies, make sure your salary is up to this amount. The minimum is up to this amount, okay, or more than per hour, $31.61 per hour. please guys, this is very helpful. Everything is all aligned here, so make sure you read thoroughly and understand the whole process before you even contact the agencies, so that you know what to expect. So when they're talking to you, you know how to channel your questions. Okay, all right, I hope this is so helpful. This is all I'll be bringing to your desk today, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to those that you think might need them, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.